Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to enable Google Gemini AI on your any Android phone. So you just easily use this. So at first open your Google, click on to profile and then showing it to settings, click on. Okay, and all set this. Open Play Store, go to search option, search it to, and you need to just install this. Now I'm already installed this. Press on open and you just easily use this. Write something or voice. How old are you?
I am a large language model trained by Google.
Okay. Hello, how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you for asking. As a large language model,
Then you get feedback. So that's it.